So today I'm going to show you how to install a contemporary toilet bidet. It's not the ordinary handheld bidet that used to be. It's the modern one, I believe. So let's start unboxing it. So let's try to see what's inside this box. I open it for the first time, as you can see it now. There you go. So let's take out first. This is the main body of the toilet bidet. You see there's a control knob this side. This is for the female wash and this is for the rear wash, and going back to the center again is the normal position. The more you turn to the left would be more water, or I mean to the right. The more you turn to the left is more water. So this is how to control the flow of the water. And here are circular positioning of the toilet seat. You can turn this around, as you can see, to adjust the position of the nut and bolt of the toilet seat. So these two circles are for installation purposes in the toilet seat. And on this side is the dual nozzle. So this is one for female wash and one for the other for clean wash or rear wash, I would say. And so the nozzles will go down when you need it, then it retracts automatically when it's not needed. So that's pretty it. Oh, by the way, this hole here is for connecting water from the supply, which goes around here and comes out from this nozzle. In the box, you have the user manual. It will give you all the tips how to install and how to maintain or how to use it, so it's pretty handy. That's it. So inside the box is also the braided steel pipe that will connect to this guy here, and then the other end is for connecting to the water supply. Oh, by the way, it's important to put a Teflon tape around this thing here to prevent leaks. I think the Teflon tape is not included. Oh, here, I'm sorry. This is the Teflon tape provided for putting it around here to avoid leaks. And this is the T-valve for connecting with the braided or steel hose here, like this. And this one, this end will go to the stem from the toilet tank, and this one is from the water supply. This I will show you later on. Okay, it's also necessary to put Teflon tape around this area and this area to prevent water leak. And then it comes with a wrench, as you can see. This one is for the big nut here, so it just goes this way, and the smaller end goes here. So that's very handy. And another important thing is to always check that there is a rubber gasket that comes to this end when installing with the stem from the water tank to prevent leaks. And last thing is these guys. These are rubber risers that can be installed on the toilet seat, because the toilet covers will not be even when this is installed in the toilet seat. So this will adjust the level of the toilet cover to be in line with the height of the bidet. So there are 3 pieces. Okay, so that's it. We will start the installation. That is very easy, to be very quick. I will show you step by step. I bought this new toilet bidet because of the benefits and savings that I can get, which are as follows. The last thing I would say is to get rid of this tabo-tabo, or this plastic container with the handle for cleaning. This is the olden times. So let's get rid of this. Boom! Bye bye tabo-tabo. Yes, that's good. So let's continue now. So as a start, we need to shut off the main water supply. We need to flush the toilet in order to empty the water tank. There you go. So I don't see any more water, so we can proceed. We need to remove this nut here from the water tank by turning this knob counterclockwise. We'll remove this nut here from the water tank so that the water will be empty and to avoid flooding on the floor. So as you see, there's still water coming out. There you go. If you hear the click, that means it's already tight. Okay, that's it. Everything is tight. Let's check. So this is for the rear wash. This is for the female wash back to the center. Okay. Okay. So now the moment of truth. Let's see if everything is okay before we open the water from the supply. Okay, everything's fixed. Everything's fixed. Everything's here, ready to go. Okay, I will open the water supply now and let's check if there's any leak. So these are now the risers I was talking about earlier in the video. This will level the toilet seat because the bidet was raised a bit, so this will help balance the toilet seat. So now let's turn the knob to the female wash and see the water coming out from the sprayer. There you go. So you can see the nozzle coming down. Now let's try the other side, the rear wash. There you go. So now you can see the nozzle coming down. The more turn, the more water. Okay. So that's the rear wash. And look at the nozzle going back. There you go. So it works. So this is now the new toilet bidet that I have installed. And let's give it a try. After completing the installation and testing of my new toilet bidet, it's now time to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future vlogs. See you then. Bye-bye.